Damn Sam here. Just a quick forward about this video that you're just about to see, which is a wire running, I want to say horizontally, but it's more than horizontal. It's like at a weird angle, which is illegal. It shouldn't be. There were a piece of paper screwed up and pushed into the socket it's in, and I only noticed this on floor when I was cleaning up. They'd cut a piece of, it looked like an old plastic packet with old screws in, and they'd stuck that over the top of where plug thing was taped up. And when I've unravelled paper, it were an old Independent, and when I flipped it over, date were on. So this plug socket was installed like this in 1987, which is quite a few years ago. So my guess were right in video. So just enjoy me my little film. Damn Sam back on this job. Quick vid just to show you one of the things that I found. You have to excuse my face, looking like Elephant Man. I've had a mask on. So this is naughty electricians. These are electricians that are just a nightmare. So I know electricians slag plasters off and stuff, filling the boxes in. But this is just a no-no. Even I know this, and I'm not an electrician. So this were all covered up. What I do when I'm knocking off, I'll come in front side. So I'll cut a bit in here, and then I'll try and come in from side and just break it off, and it tends to pull it out. And if you have got a wire in, because plaster's not bonded to brickwork, it will ease off, and you'll not 8 out of 10 times you'll see it. So this is what we've got. They've obviously had a plug socket here and wanted one over there. That's wall mounted. So what they've done is they've just taped this up and run a cable over to there. Now, I think it must have been done quite a bit ago, because I'm sure that now they've got connectors and boxes that'll seal it in. I've seen our electrician use them for repairs and stuff like. But they're better than that anyway, and that goes to there. So that's when hazards are knocking off. Other thing is pipes. Didn't know this was there. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's got out in it, but it could be. I mean, it could be gas pipe. I'll give it a little bit of a crack there. So what I did is, to see if it were punctured, we get some washing up liquid. We put washing up liquid on it all the way around. And if it bubbles up, that means air's coming out, so we can see whether it's punctured. But that's all right. I don't know what it is. I know there's a gas pipe here, which is that. But I expected that to go to cooker or something from down there. But it could go under the floor. We don't know. So you've just got to be vigilant at all time. You've got to be looking at what you're knocking off and see if there's out of ordinary, out unexpected. This is why I always take bottom bit off first. So if it's bridging up bottom, just tack that bit off first, and then take a bit down and maybe go upside. So it's kind of playing it by ear. You'll probably hit a wire or a pipe at some point. So always when you go onto a job, always ask customer where electric box is, water stop tap and gas stop tap. As long as you know where they are, if you do it somewhere, you can get down sharpest, flick them off. So it's just a lever foot gas, stop tap, just turn that off, or electric. Well, it'll probably trip anyway, electric, but you can always put fuses back on once it's cleared round. So that's another nugget of information. So please subscribe and share it to anybody that's knocking off. See you in a bit.